Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a new Instagram account for your business and how to add it in our business portfolio. So let's start. We are on instagram.com and here you can find sign up option. You have to click here, sign up, and now here you have to fill your information. Like for me, I am signing up using email ID. So let's fill the details. Here you need to fill password. Here you need to fill your name, so it should be your business name. And here you need to fill your username, so it should be unique. So let's try if we can get our username with forever ads. Let's check, click outside. So see, this username is not available, so let's try some so let's do some changes. Forever.ads, let's try this. Forever.ads, still this is not available. Let's try forever ads YT. I think it will be available. Okay, so here we get a tick mark. So like we can use this username. So click on sign up. Okay, so here you need to fill your birth date. Okay, click on next. You'll receive a confirmation code on Gmail. Let's open gmail.com. Here you can find it in let's try in social. No, Instagram. Okay, here it is. Let's fill this code. Click on next. It is taking a bit longer. Okay, so sorry, something went wrong creating your account. Please try again. So in this case, don't don't get panic or get confused. Just reload this page, or you can just go to instagram.com. Okay, now here submit the details. And login. So see, here you are successfully created your profile and you are logged in your account as well. So don't get confused with that OTP thing. Okay, now here you can start following people and doing the regular things which we can do on Instagram. Video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and show your love so that we can grow together. As you know that here I am doing things from scratch. I created my Facebook account, I created my Facebook page. Today we created Instagram profile, and also we created ad account on Facebook. So going forward I am going to put so many related videos on Facebook ads, Google ads, and programmatic ads. So stay tuned. Click on that bell icon also so you can get notifications whenever I put new videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.